welcome back for another video of service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you I can set the clock on a Mini Cooper. This one comes from 2008. I have a customer complaining about that the clock indicator over here disappeared, and in this short video I'm going to show you how we can set the new clock and get rid of these two stripes on the dashboard and on the instrument cluster. Okay, let's start that way. First of all, press or turn the ignition onto the second position. In this case, press. All the lights must go on like this. Then we have a BC button over here on the left side. Press to scroll through the menu and find set info. Once you are here, press and hold it for a few seconds. Release. Find this clock indicator, press and hold it, release, set the new clock by pressing multiple times. It's now 1 o'clock. Release and wait for it to jump to the minutes. 1 o'clock, 15 past 1. Release it and you'll see when we turn the ignition off and on again that the stripes on the instrument cluster and over here are set to the new time. That was it for this video. I hope it helped you setting the new time on your Mini Cooper. Don't forget to subscribe and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.